Cleaning up for autumn means peace of mind that your furniture, textiles and more will keep their wow factor and be ready to use again quicker next year. For the best results, use a wet and dry vacuum cleaner like this one from Kärcher. Ideal for the tough jobs your indoor vac just can't handle. Give hard-to-reach spots a thorough clean with the Kärcher WD. Remember that the same process can be applied to sports equipment too. And after gliding over surfaces, simply select your attachment to clean even the smallest nooks and corners, leaving them dirt and dust free before you tidy them away. Once you've primed your furniture for hibernation, consider adding a clean cover or protective layer. This can either be a tailor-made bespoke cover, or it might simply be a layer of tarpaulin or spare material. Either way, you're protecting the items and reducing the amount of cleaning for yourself when you pull them back out of storage, so you can bring back the wow to your space the moment the sun comes out.